Ben, where the hell are you? Say again, where you at?
Well, I mean, it's kind of starting over, so we're on the other side now.
Are you fucking serious?
I'm pretty serious here.
Alright, I'll be over there. Say, hit! Oh, what the fuck?
Visual?
Nope. Knee pad popped out. Had a little technical difficulty. It's all good though.
Push the flag, somebody. Oh, shit!
Sorry, Josh! He's right below you! He's right below you, man!
Wait, can you use your name?
Oh shit.
What?
Long shot, bro.
Is that soon?
Yes, sir.